Hey guys, what's happening? How to deactivate the Instagram account. So go ahead and open up your Instagram. Okay, hit your profile icon at the bottom right. Hit the three bars at the top right, and go to the account center or meta. Inside, what you're gonna do, just access the personal details and hit the account ownership and control. Right under memorialization, deactivation or deletion, and select your account if you have more than one account on Meta. Let's say my account on Instagram, and then continue to deactivate account. Then change it. Right, and your Instagram account will be deactivated. The following account will also be deactivated. You will lose access to the following info: 319 followers, one post, 317 stories, 96 reels, etc. Continue if you're aware of that, and then switch Instagram account to continue. So because you enabled two-factor authentication for this Instagram account, just go ahead and access the account center from the other account and continue with the steps. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.